In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in GitHub in just a few simple steps. You'll find that doing this not only gives your eyes a break, but also adds a sleek, modern look to your development environment. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you regularly use. Once your browser is up and running, head over to your search engine of choice and type in GitHub. Look for the official GitHub website in the search results and click on the link to open it. If you're not already logged into your GitHub account, take a moment to do so by entering your credentials. This ensures you can personalize your account settings. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of any GitHub page. You'll see your profile picture up there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Clicking this will take you to your account settings page where all of your personalized configurations can be managed. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice various categories listed. Look for Appearance and give it a click. This section contains all the themes and aesthetic settings you can tailor to your preferences. Inside the Appearance section, you'll find the Theme Mode setting at your disposal. Here's the magic moment. Click on the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of themes to choose from. GitHub offers a few options for dark modes. You can go for Dark Default, which is a standard dark theme. If you need better visibility, there's High Contrast Dark, which accentuates the contrast for easier readability. Another option is Dark Dimmed, which offers a softer dark mode for a more subdued look. For those who want a dynamic solution, there's also an option to Sync with System. This is a great feature if your system automatically toggles between light and dark mode, as it allows GitHub to follow suit and adjust accordingly, seamlessly integrating with your workflow. Once you've selected your desired theme, the changes will be applied throughout the GitHub platform. There's no extra step or confirmation needed. The theme you've chosen should be implemented right away. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on dark mode, creating a more comfortable and visually appealing experience for your time on GitHub. With this setup, you're all set to enjoy coding or browsing in a theme that's kinder on the eyes, especially during those late-night coding sessions. Thanks for watching, and happy coding in your new dark-themed GitHub environment.